to show you on how to solve some of the easy word problem.
James is 1/3 of the age of his father Steve. The two have a combined age of 68. How old is James? And how old is Steve? Let x be the age of Steve, then 1/3 of the x will be the age of James. X plus 1/3 of the x is equal to 68. We are going to multiply both sides by 3. So it will be 3x plus x is equal to 204. 3x plus x is 4x and bring down 204. 4x is equal to 204. Divide both sides by 4 and this one will be cancelled out and x is equal to 51. 51 is equal to the age of Steve and 51 times 1/3 or the age of James will be 17. Sandra is 8 years old younger than her brother Mike. 6 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sandra. How old is Mike and how old is Sandra? So, here is our solution. Let x be Sandra's age and x plus 8 will be Mike's age. X minus 6 because it was 6 years before or 6 years ago. So this will be Sandra's age. And x plus 2 or x plus 8 minus 2 will be Mike's age 6 years ago. So that will be multiplied by 3 because Mike is 3 times as old as Sandra. So this one, 3 times x minus 6 is equal to 6 plus 2. 3 times x will be 3x and 3 times 6 will be negative 18. Then we are just going to copy x plus 2. 3x minus 8, we have to subtract both sides by negative x plus 18. The result will be 2x and this will be 20. This will be cancelled out, so 2 plus 18 will be 20 and negative 18 minus positive 18 will be cancelled out and it will be 2x. Divide both sides by 2, this will be cancelled out and x will be remained. 20 over 2 or 20 divided by 2 will be 10, so x is equal to 10. Sandra will be 10 years old and Mike is 18 years old. So 6 years before or 6 years ago, it will be diminished by 6. 10 minus 6 will be 4 and 18 minus 6 will be 12. As stated in the problem, Mike is 3 times as old as Sandra. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Well, I guess our answer is correct. Find 4 consecutive even integers so that the sum of the 3 is 8 more than the 4th. So let x be the first even integers. Since 4 integers, x will be the first one and x plus 2 will be the second one. X plus 4 will be the third one and the last one will be x plus 6. So sum of the 3 is equal to 4th plus 8. So x plus 6 is 4th, so x plus 6 will be plus 8. So this one will be the first and the second and the third integer. So this will be added and their sum is 3x plus 6. This one, x plus 6 plus 8 is equal to x plus 14. We subtract 6x from both sides, then this will be 2x, and this one will be 8. So we have to divide both sides by 2, and the remaining of this one will be x, and this one, 8 over 2, will be 4, so our x will be 4. To check, we have to substitute this one, the given x, by 4. So 4, the first integer, and the second integer, 2 plus x, or 2 plus 4, will be 6. Find 3 consecutive odd integers so that 3 times their sum is 5 more than 8 times the middle one. So let x be the first odd number, and x plus 2 will be the second odd number, and x plus 4 will be the third odd number. The 3 integers will be added, and their sum will be multiplied by 3, and it has to be equal with x plus 2 plus 5 times 8. So 3x plus 6 times 3, or 3 times 3x is 9x, and 3 times 6 will be 18. 8 times x is equal to 8x, and 8 times 2 is equal to 16, and copy plus 5. So 16 plus 5 is 21. That is why it is 8x plus 21. Since 8 is lesser than 9, this will become 9x minus 8x, and 18 is lesser than 21. This will be 21 minus 18. So we have to subtract them both sides. So this will be 0, and this will be cancelled out, and the remaining will be x is equal to 3. So our x is 3. So let us substitute. Let us go back from this one. X plus 2, or 3 plus 2, will be 5. It is an odd number. 3 plus 4 will be 7, and an odd number.